If SketchUp is giving you an error code, crashing with BugSplat, failing to sign in, or refusing to save properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to modeling fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software fixes just like this. First, let's talk about what SketchUp error codes usually mean. In most cases, the issue is caused by one of four things: a broken extension, a licensing or authentication problem, a graphics or Windows compatibility issue, or a file permission problem. The good news is that each one can usually be fixed without reinstalling everything from scratch. If you're getting a BugSplat crash, that often means one of your extensions or plugins is causing SketchUp to fail. A very common fix is to remove recently installed plugins and test SketchUp again. To do that on Windows, go to your user folder, then open app data, then roaming, then SketchUp, then your version number, and finally the plugins folder. From there, move any newly added plugins out of the folder temporarily and relaunch SketchUp. If the program opens normally after that, you've likely found the problem extension. You can then add them back one at a time to see which one is incompatible. This is one of the fastest ways to solve random crashes, especially if the error started right after installing something new. Next, if SketchUp is giving you a license error, an authentication error, or problems connecting to 3D Warehouse or Extension Warehouse, the issue may be related to your internet connection, firewall settings, or a blocked login request. Start by checking that your internet is working normally. Then, if you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try signing in again. Sometimes VPNs or strict firewalls can stop SketchUp from verifying your account. You should also make sure SketchUp is allowed through your firewall and any antivirus software that might be blocking it. If you're in a work or school network, those network rules may be preventing authentication, so testing from another connection can help confirm that. Now let's fix application errors, especially in SketchUp Viewer 2021 or older versions that may not work correctly on certain systems. A simple fix is to right-click the SketchUp app and choose Run as administrator. This gives the software permission to access the files and settings it needs. If that doesn't work, try running it in compatibility mode. Right-click the app, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and try Windows 8 compatibility mode. This can help if your version of SketchUp is having trouble with your current Windows setup. Another important step is to update your graphics drivers and Windows itself. SketchUp depends heavily on your GPU, so outdated drivers can cause crashes, freezing, or startup errors. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website such as Nvidia, AMD, or Intel and install the latest driver version. Also, open Windows Update and make sure your system is fully updated. In some cases, missing .NET Framework updates can also cause errors, so keeping Windows current is a smart step. If SketchUp is having trouble opening, saving, or loading a specific file, check the file path and file name carefully. Avoid special characters in folder names and file names, and try saving the file to a simple location like your desktop or documents folder. Long paths, strange symbols, or restricted folders can sometimes cause save errors, especially with layout files or shared project folders. If you're using layout and it won't save correctly, the issue may also be related to permissions. Make sure the file is not read-only and confirm that you have full access to the folder where it's stored. If needed, save a copy to a new folder and test again. At this point, if you've checked plugins, internet access, administrator permissions, compatibility settings, graphics drivers, Windows updates, and file paths, you've covered the main causes of SketchUp error codes. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem without needing a full reinstall. So to quickly recap, remove suspicious extensions for BugSplat crashes, check your internet and the firewall for login issues, run SketchUp as administrator or in compatibility mode for application errors, update your drivers and Windows, and keep your file names and paths clean. If this video helped you fix your SketchUp error code, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.